Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create an aesthetic, artistic doodle project for Scratch. So you will have a pencil that follows your mouse around the page and creates random scribbles. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you're watching this in present time or as soon as this is uploaded, I hope everyone had a happy holidays and is going to have a happy new year for this upcoming 2025 year. So let's hope it's good. So anyway, for us to get started, I'm starting off with a blank canvas right here. I already named my project Artistic Fun. And I'm going to select the Choose a Sprite tab and look for the pencil as I have here. And here we go. We have the pencil shown up here. Very cute. And then we're going to choose a backdrop. So if you want, you can keep it white or you can select any one of these backdrops. But personally, I'm going to select the grid so it looks like more of an art project. So let's go with the smaller grid. It looks more mathematic, artistic this way. I don't know. I like the way it looks personally. So anyway, we're going to go to when this flag clicked. And then this flag is going to trigger everything. So the only code we're going to have is under the when this flag clicked block. So when this flag clicked, everything starts to happen. So we have that. And I forgot to mention before we even start, make sure to go to the extension, add extensions, and you'll see we have all these extensions. I plan on doing videos on these as well in the future, but you're going to click the pen extension, which I've already done down here. And then you will have all these blocks to select from. So when this flag's clicked, we're going to start with the erase all block so that it clears the screen every time the flag is clicked, so you don't have art overlapping on top of each other. Next, we're going to, let's say, set the pen color to a certain. Well, first let's do the pen up so it lifts the pen off the page, so we don't have to suffer with it randomly going everywhere. And then we're going to put all our settings into place. So set the pen color to whatever color you want. So in this case, I'm going to go with this darker pink color, or not that, purple, pink. All right, let's go with that. And let's set our pen size to 7. You can set it to whatever size you want. The higher the number, the thicker. The smaller the number, the thinner. Alright, so now that we have all our settings in place, we're going to go to pen down so it can start drawing. But now, all this is going to happen in like a millisecond. So, as you can see here, there's just a small little dot. So everything happens when you click the flag tool. But we want this to carry on and to follow our mouse around the screen. So in order to do this, we're going to go to the motion tab, as you can see here, go to random position, and we're going to drag that right over here. And we're going to go to mouse pointer. And then let's see if this works now. What do you guys think I'm missing? So as you guys can see here, it only goes to the mouse pointer when I click the flag, and then it just stops after. So this means that it's only following the procedure right after I click the flag. Like the millisecond is done. But we want it to continue until we stop the project. So to do this, we're going to go to Control and select the forever loop, and we're going to put that only in the mouse pointer. So we want it to go to the mouse pointer forever. Now it works, and we're scribbling all over the screen, and it's following our mouse pointer around. And there you have it. So that's just a really neat scribble project. It's just a fun little project. But to add more personality into it, we can change the color to like more rainbowish. So we can change pen color by 10. We can add that to our forever loop. So it changes the pen color by 10 So the color would become 95. The numbers would change since each color has like a hex code or an assigned number. So here, let's try it out. Yeah, and now it's all rainbowy and cool. So there you have it. That is how you create a rainbow scribble pen in Scratch. Or if you don't like the rainbow, you can keep it a plain color as well, but personally I think the rainbow is very cool. So if you liked today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. As always, I will link my Scratch Studio down below so you guys can post your projects there, and we can be very supportive in one another's coding journeys. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and follow for more posts. Bye!